Are you feeling better?
Yes, I'm feeling much better.
It's great to have you back with us.
Sure.
You were quite brave driving today. We really appreciate coming through the flooded roads on the way here. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And we're going to head off to Leonard tomorrow.
Yes.
And then Muda Magaya.
Okay.
And then you're taking us to some of your favourite places.
Yes.
Can you tell everybody?
I'm going to take you to Great Zimbabwe. Then Sinamatela, one of our favorite places, and also Matobo Hills and Bulawayo. So yeah.
And we can get on with some recording as well, because the sun's going to come out. We'll have you to ourselves.
Of course, obviously.
I'm really looking forward to that. Thank you so much for everything forward.
Too. Thank you, Andy.
Thank you.
Thank you.